Hello dear friends, today we are going to practice some food and learn some vocab about dishes. And well, I hope everything will be fine because it's the first time I'm going to cook something special like this. So let's see how we go. Okay, now we are going to check the ingredients. Here we have a can of mushrooms, we have an onion, we have a carrot, we have a garlic clove, and we have a broccoli. The first thing that we need to do is to chop the onion, chop the carrot. We have to do the same with the garlic clove and separate in small pieces the broccoli. And here we have the onion, the carrot. Also I add some peppers, green bell peppers, and the broccoli. The next step is to prepare the pan with a small quantity of oil. Okay, now we have to put a small quantity of oil.
We wait until it would be hot enough to broil the things. The first thing that we have to put is the garlic clove. After we put the onion.
Little by little we add the ingredients, so we have to finish in that way. At this point we add pepper and salt. After you put the salt and pepper, you can add the mushroom to this. You can add some wine if you want. You have to keep moving until the mushrooms get a brown color, and then it will be ready for eating. And that's it. It is ready for eating.